Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? It's me. It's me, SF Treat. I'm gonna be listening to Ride the Lightning by Metallica. Preferred by Max Meyer. Yeah, I'm just gonna play it. This is me. I haven't listened to it yet, ever, I don't think. And you're gonna watch me listen to it and get my live reactions maybe, and then I'll give you like a little review afterwards, okay? All right, let's go. I'm just kidding, it's an ad for Jack Daniels, Tennessee Fire. Fireball changed the world, you know? That shit's gross, but it changed the world. Alright, I'm gonna crank this shit up. This is just the song, not the whole album. Shit, this is cool. Just this intro, like, damn, this is what I like. You know what I like. Big fan of One and, like, other Metallica stuff, but I really like One. I mean, this isn't like One at all, but, like, it's good. I need to crank it louder. Hell yes. This is straight up, this is the type of metal I like 80s, like kinda higher pitched metal. I really like Judas Priest, and this reminds me of Judas Priest. That's why I like it so much. Damn, released 1984. Wasn't there like a Guitar Hero or a rock band that was just Metallica? Because I'm pretty sure there's one of those. And like, if this is on there, holy shit. Yeah, it was Guitar Hero. I'm pretty sure it was like, once they had like the drums and everything. And that was the one with like the double pedal. I'm pretty sure. Because they're like, dude, you can't do one fast enough. They had two pedals, so you can go like, that shit's cool. I'm just looking at pictures of the Metallica Guitar Hero. Good shit. Hold on. This song's not even on Guitar Hero Rock Band. What the fuck? This is good. This is a good solo. I like this a lot. It makes me want to play Guitar Hero. I just feel like. Yes, I like when it goes fast and then it slows down, so it's like. Long song, 6.5 minutes. Not complaining though, this is great. This is getting added to my Spotify. Yeah, this is good. Whoa, that was good. That was a good song. My review, 10 out of 10, great 80s metal song. I like 80s metal because it's like, still in between like 90s and like kind of edgy metal and like classic rock. So you still have like, yeah, kind of classic rock sounding guitar solos, but like it's still very much like, oh yeah, this is metal, like this is very hardcore, like this is heavy shit, but it's not edgy or anything. It's not like, you know, Venom's not listening to this shit, but probably like, I don't know, Spider-Man is. That's not a great analogy, but I'm telling you right now, Venom's not listening to this shit. Venom's listening to Eminem and like 3 Days Grace and shit like that. But this is great. Big fan. I love it. I love it. 10 out of 10. Getting added to my Spotify for sure. I might have to make a whole metal, heavy metal like playlist. I might. I'll think about it. I'll let you guys know what I put on there. If you guys approve. You probably will, because it's just like good. I'm not gonna put Master of Puppets on there, I promise. Maybe. I don't really like it, but I might put it on there just because I know it. Yeah, thanks for suggesting and recommending Ride the Lightning, dude. Really good song. I'm looking out for more stuff like this. Let me know if you find it.